So here I have a C6 Audi. Had to replace the window switch. My little boy broke it. Just pulling this trim off, pull it towards you, a little bit up, and just need to wiggle it off. Got this trim here as well. My one was broken already, so I had to go with it. There's a screw in there, one in there, another one in there, another one in there, and the last one down there. Then I had a little pull from here. Got the better access just to pull it out a little bit, then just pull it off. The rest gonna be easy, you will see. Good luck.